Hello and welcome back, Meal Prep Sunday supporters. Today, we're setting ourselves up for success for the rest of the week by giving a deep cleaning to our kitchen and doing some quality control for our new produce that came in today. That way, we're already starting off the week strong as we use the rest of the week to focus on the quality of the cooking and plating. We're going to be showing you the full rundown all week on our process from beginning to end. So keep an eye out for a preview of what delicious meals our clients will be receiving next week. First, the team goes through their SOP checklist to ensure everything is properly cleaned and managed at the highest standard. We're proud of our A-rated kitchen and put in massive effort in order to maintain our ranking and ensure client safety. Cleaning process is methodical and time consuming, so as one team handles that, another team is managing our quality control. Once we receive our product from local suppliers, we do a thorough check to make sure they align with our standards. Safety is everything, so the first thing we do is temperature check. If any product misses this first check, they get returned instantly to the supplier. It's simply not good enough for our clients, they deserve the best. Luckily, we're very particular when it comes to our vendors to avoid these issues as much as possible. All of our vendors are reputable and local, who are known for supplying fresh produce time and time again. We also check for the quality of our produce. We make sure there is no soft spots, signs of spoilage, proper texture, and appealing color. This helps us achieve that wow moment our clients expect when they open their first meal of the week. Once everything is checked quality wise, we check the quantity to ensure we have enough to prepare our clients' meals. Our service, we provide a lot of choice, so one customer's meal may not be the same as the next. Some may want more protein, some may want less carbs. We accommodate our customers' macro and micronutrients goals so that way they get exactly what they need week after week. So we want to be sure we have enough to support all of our clients' needs. Lastly, we follow all of this up with sanitation. We clean all of our produce thoroughly to assure removal of all possible contamination or bacteria growth. That way, everything will be safe and ready for tomorrow. Tuesday is prep day at Meal Prep Sunday. We cut and portion our veggies, construct our sauces that'll eventually get paired with our meals, marinate our protein to give that flavor, prep our seasonings to go along with that, and to end the day, we begin our first round of cooking. Every day of the week is focused on different aspects of giving our clients the best service possible. We have what we call a good to great culture. So we always look for ways to improve our processes and create a stronger structure, which is how we give high quality meals week after week. To speak more about the Meal Prep Sunday secret sauce of success, we brought line cook Rocky to share his experience with a good to great culture.
Hi, my name's Rocky. I work here at Meal Prep Sunday. I've been here for about a year. I've been working in this industry for about 12 years now. I've been working various locations from, your gastropubs, steakhouses, sushi spots all over North County, San Diego. And if you can think of a restaurant around San Diego, I've most likely been there. I've been all around.
And what makes Meal Prep Sunday different is how structured it is. Like today, for example, it's all about prep. So today we're prepping all our produce, marinating our proteins, getting everything ready for the week. So when we come in for tomorrow, we're ready to go without any issues at all. And tomorrow, it'll be all about cooking and finishing our prep from today. So we'll be cooking all our proteins, all our vegetables, making sure it's ready to go for the day we start packaging our product. I think that having such a strong work structure allows us to make good food week after week.
Thanks, Rocky. Appreciate it. And to add on to that, we have a few more things happening behind the scenes that help us quality control the meals. Everything gets put through multiple rounds of tasting and altering of the recipe that all team members have access to. That way, we're always updating flavors and keeping our weekly rotating menu fresh. All of our lead personnel have radio connections to keep everyone in communication. That way, we're all on the same page and nothing gets off the tracks. Followed by the cameras we have throughout our facility, specifically in our fridges. This allows us to monitor the temperature of all times to make sure all of our produce and ingredients stay fresh and safe. Everyone here knows and understands our standard operating procedures that are held by kitchen leadership, making sure our clients get what they expect every week. Delicious meal preps they'll fall in love with. And on Wednesdays, we cook. And we cook it all. We crack some eggs, saute our veggies, make our skillets, and so much more. So yesterday, Rocky spoke on something interesting, and that's how strong our structure is when it comes to planning and organization. That's also reflected in our cooking processes. We have people designated into breakfast, pastries, skillets, ovens, proteins, casserole assembly, carbohydrates, and pots. Each person at a station is an expert at their field, which allows us to give our clients the best quality that blows away their expectations. Collectively, at any time in our kitchen, there's about 200 years of experience. We've collected these culinary professionals and placed them where they're at for one reason: for you. We want you to enjoy every bite our service provides you and have peace of mind knowing that every protein, carb, and veggie has been measured and calculated, because we understand we're providing you fuel with every delivery to your door. Fuel that impacts your energy, mood, productivity, and so much more. Thursday is all about putting deliciousness on a plate. Now that each meal has been meticulously prepared, now it's time to get them measured and plated to meet the individual goals of each of our clients. Our team takes great care to ensure that every meal is balanced with the right amount of protein, carbs, and fats to support our clients' macro and micronutrients needs. We start with a base of tasty and healthy ingredients. Our team uses equipment such as scales and cupping scoops to ensure that every meal is measured accurately and consistently, so our clients can be confident that they're getting precisely what they need week after week. Once the ingredients are measured, we begin plating. Our chefs use their creativity and expertise to make each meal look as good as it tastes. We believe people eat twice. People eat visually first and then orally second. So we put in a lot of time and effort so our meals are as visually exciting as they are delicious. Our clients can enjoy meals with the knowledge that they're supporting their fitness goals without sacrificing taste or convenience. At Meal Prep Sunday, we take the guesswork out of healthy eating. We believe that everyone deserves to enjoy delicious, healthy meals, and we are committed to making that a reality for all of our clients. We know that our clients are the most important part of our business, which is why we built every aspect of our service around you. We know that one of the biggest pain points our clients have in our industry is the freshness of their food, which is why we invested in the top-of-the-line packaging technology to remove the oxygen from our meals to under 2%, which slows down and technically stopping the aging process. This means our clients experience the same freshness in their meals even 7 days after packaging. In addition, we have a 2-step quality control process with our packaging team to make sure that the product that comes to our client's door has been checked to ensure all components of the meal are present and portions are accurate. They also check to ensure the packaging is clean and sealed tight. We label all of our meals with their ingredients and macronutrients, and we portion them based on your health and fitness goals, as well as your physical information. We can even accommodate any allergies or dislikes you may have. And when we deliver your meals, we make sure they stay at the proper temperature by packaging them in insulated bags and ice packs. At Meal Prep Sunday, we're committed to providing our clients with the highest quality meals and the best service possible. And that's a wrap on another week at Meal Prep Sunday. We hope you enjoyed following along with us and seeing what goes into making our delicious and nutritious meals. And we hope it made you hungry enough to give our service a try. And with this special offer, you can save 50% off your first order using code FIRST. That's right, just $5.90 per meal. There is no better time to join the Meal Prep Sunday family and experience the convenience and quality of our service. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you soon.